Hi all, welcome. Console to Code is a new feature introduced in the last quarter of 2024. It records the activities which you are doing on your AWS console and generate the corresponding IAC code in CDK or CloudFormation. For example, if you are launching an EC2 with a specific key, with a specific AMI, Console to Code will record all these events and then generate the corresponding CloudFormation code or CDK code, which you can execute it anytime later. If you need to create the same EC2 again, you don't need to do it manually. You can just run this code. This feature is currently available in EC2, RDS and VPC. Now let's see how it works. To access Console to Code feature, you can go to EC2 console and then on the right side top you can see this icon Console to Code. Just click on that and it will tell you which are the steps. Generate code in 3 simple steps. You have to start recording, then select the actions and then generate and export. So I'm going to start recording and then I will launch an EC2 instance. Then I will download the corresponding CloudFormation template which will be given to me by Console to Code feature, and then using that CloudFormation template I will create one more EC2 instance. That's what I'm going to do in this. So click on start recording. So it has started. Just launch the instance. So name, since it is Christmas time, I'll just say Christmas EC2 101 and then come down. You can select anything. Ubuntu AMI is okay. Instance type can be anything, it doesn't matter. Key pair I will choose. You don't really need it, you can go without a key pair, that's okay. And network settings, you can create a security group or you can select an existing one. I'm going to use an existing one because I don't want to create a new one for this. So that's it. We don't need to select anything more. Just come down and launch instance. That's it. Now you can stop because I have already done my action. Just stop. Now you can see that it has actually created the corresponding code. So just select it and now I can download it. You can download it as CloudFormation JSON, CloudFormation YAML or CDK, Cloud Development Kit, CDK Java code, Python code or TypeScript. But I am going to go for CloudFormation YAML in this case. And you can also see that you can also get the corresponding CLI. Whatever activity I did just now, the corresponding CLI command also you can download if you wish to. But let me just focus on downloading the CloudFormation YAML. Okay, this is the CLI command. I am not touching that. Come down. This is my CloudFormation YAML code. So what I will do is I will just download it and it will download it with the name Console to Code. That's okay. Now just open it because I'm going to do some edits because I don't need all these properties whatever it has listed. So I'm going to delete many of these because I just want to keep it simple. Network interfaces, this is okay. Credit specification not required. Then from here, this much is not required. Now I'm going to move this to the same level as network interfaces. Okay, and this Christmas EC2 101, I'm going to change the name to 301. Christmas EC2 301 because otherwise the other name is already used. That's why. So just save it. Okay, minimize this. Now go to CloudFormation. In CloudFormation, I need to create a new stack. There are some stacks which are already existing. Forget about that. I'm going to create a new stack with new resources. So select that and choose an existing template. That's okay. Upload a template file, select it and choose the file. In downloads folder, I have this Console to Code. So just select it, open and go to next. Here I have to give a name. I will give the name as Xmas stack. Anyway, it is Christmas time. That's the only reason. Next. I'm leaving everything as default. Okay, next. Okay, now if I click on submit, it will create that EC2 called Xmas EC2 301. Before that, let me go back to EC2 console and just ensure that my running EC2 is there. Just refresh. You can see that Christmas EC2 101 is running. There is only one EC2 which is running. But the moment I submit this here, it will create a second one. Submit. Go back here and refresh this. Yeah, you can see that it has created Christmas EC2 301. Actually, that is created from this CloudFormation stack. So, Console to Code is a new feature which is available for VPC, RDS and EC2 as of now. It was launched in the last quarter of 2024, that is in October 2024. So, I would request all of you to try this out. I hope this video was useful. I'll come back with more similar useful videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.